Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are taking a look at something truly revolutionary in home cleaning, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete. Big thanks to Dreame for partnering with me on this video. Now, I know what you're thinking, another robot vacuum, but trust me, this one is different. It's got some tricks up its sleeve that genuinely change the game. Dreame is calling this their 2025 flagship, and you'll see why. This isn't just about cleaning your floors, it's about making your home smarter and your life easier. Let's start with the feature that immediately grabbed my attention. The X50 Ultra Complete boasts the world's first robotic retractable legs. Certified by Frost & Sullivan, these legs allow it to literally rise up and clean beneath. We've all had those moments where our robot vacuum gets stuck on either a rug, a door sill, or a small step. Well, the Pro Leap system with these retractable legs means those days are largely over. It effortlessly glides over obstacles up to 6 centimeters, ensuring an uninterrupted and efficient clean. Plus, the integrated shock absorption keeps things quiet and protects your floors and the machine itself. And it's not just about getting over things, it's also about getting under them. Meet the VersaLift navigation. This intelligent system allows the X50 Ultra Complete to lower its DTOF sensor and use advanced cameras and algorithms to clean under low furniture like sofas and beds. It can identify up to 200 types of objects, so you don't have to pre-clean your floors before it even starts. This means genuine hands-free cleaning, even in those tricky, hard-to-reach areas. Now let's talk about the biggest headache for many robot vacuum owners: hair tangles. If you have pets or even just long hair, you know the struggle. Dreame has addressed this head-on with their HyperStream Detangling Duo brush. This innovative brush design uses an advanced air duct to efficiently fling and suck up hair, preventing tangles along its entire length. It truly lives up to its promise of 100% anti-entanglement. It's a combination of a TPU rubber brush and a bristled rubber brush, perfect for all floor types, and it does it all with impressively low noise. Now, in the box not only comes the vacuum and the dock, but we also get an extra bag, the mop pads, cleaning solution, the manual, and a cleaning brush for when it's time to get some maintenance done on the vacuum itself. The X50 Ultra Complete is called Complete for a reason. The all-in-one power dock is where the magic of automated maintenance happens. It features automatic mop drying with 80 degrees Celsius hot air to prevent mildew and odors, auto water refilling for uninterrupted mopping, and even auto solution refilling for sparkling clean floors. The Ace Clean Dry Board system ensures the washboard itself stays spotless after mop cleaning thanks to a 20 spray nozzle system. And yes, it auto empties for up to 100 days, giving you true hands-free convenience. Beyond the physical cleaning, the intelligence behind the X50 Ultra Complete is truly impressive. Omni Dirt Detection Technology 2.0 allows the AI to differentiate between dry, wet, mixed, and large particle dirt. This means it adjusts its cleaning strategy automatically. For example, it will lift the mop up for particles, slow down and soak for wet stains, and even avoid certain tough messes that need manual intervention, marking them on the map for you. Carpet Care is also highly intelligent. It can lift its mops up to 10.5 millimeters for short pile carpets or for long pile carpets. It can actually detach the mops entirely, ensuring your carpets stay perfectly dry while still getting a powerful vacuum. And for all of you pet owners out there, the Pet Care features are fantastic. It identifies pet objects, offers dynamic spot cleaning, and even has a pet finding mode where it searches for your furry friend and takes a photo. Plus, it supports voice control with over 40 common commands, even offline. The Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is more than just a vacuum. It's a comprehensive cleaning solution, from its groundbreaking retractable legs to its intelligent dirt detection and hands-free maintenance. It genuinely elevates the smart home cleaning experience. It's powerful, it's smart, and it's surprisingly quiet. If you're looking to simplify your cleaning routine, tackle tough messes, and enjoy a truly automated home, the Dreame X50 Ultra Complete is absolutely worth considering. Oh yeah, and it also comes with a 5-year warranty for consumers. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment sections down below and I will do my best to get to them. I'll have a link down in the description below for you to learn more and purchase the X50 Ultra Complete. If you did like this video and find it helpful, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.